In this video, I'll compare FastMoss versus Kalodata versus Shoplus to tell you which of these three TikTok analytic tools is best. So I have tried out every single one of them, and there is one that I'm still using every single day to find the best winning products, and in this video I'll share with you which one I think is best and why. So first, what exactly can you do with these tools? It's pretty much the same what you can do with every single one of them. They have very similar features, however they do differ a little bit, and I'll explain that in a minute. But the main thing that you will be able to do with this is find the best winning products, get insights into how much people are making from specific products, how much is being sold of a specific product, so the amount of units that are being sold, and the top stores and creators that are making the most amount of money. So just through FastMoss, for example, here in the order rank, you can see this 15-day cleanse product here. Yesterday's units sold for this product are 12,000 and a price of $11. So yesterday this product made over $100,000 in just that one single day. Then you will know, okay, this is a good product to maybe go and sell. And actually, if you take a look here, this product here, which is the third in terms of order rank, did 173.6k in revenue yesterday, and the 15-day cleanse one actually did 158.8k. So this is what these tools do. They help you find products that are winning, and they show you how much they are being sold. Then on top of that, you can find the ads and videos that are working the best for that specific product, so that you can take inspiration from those and just recreate those for yourself. So you can see on Shoplus under features, it helps you find products, analyze shops, see TikTok ads, pick influencers and discover videos, which is pretty much exactly the same what FastMoss and Kalodata do. So in terms of features, it doesn't matter that much which one you pick. I do have a personal favorite in terms of actually ease of use and just the interface, how nice it looks, but I'll go over that in a minute. First, let's compare their pricing. So in terms of pricing, you can see on each of these they have three different plans, so let's compare them here. I'm just going to set it to monthly since most people probably want to be paying monthly, but on Shoplus the basic plan is $49 per month, then premium $69 per month, and professional $99 per month. So their most expensive plan is not that expensive, but their cheapest plan is also not that cheap. Now Kalodata right here, in terms of pricing, I'm also going to set it to monthly, as a starter plan at $45.9 per month, professional at $89.9 per month, and enterprise at $399 per month. Now you can see that with each of these they claim that the professional ones are the most popular, and for example the premium here is $69 per month and the professional here is $89.9 per month. Then finally the FastMoss pricing, also monthly. You can see the basic here $29 for the first month, Pro is $79 for the first month, and Team is $329 for the first month. However, here it doesn't say that this one is the most popular. I actually think Basic is the most popular plan for FastMoss, because the Basic plan is already really good. Now the main difference on FastMoss is that here you get access to the last 28 days, here the last 90 days, and also the amount of everything you get, and how much you can actually monitor and export. So you can just figure out on each of these which plan is best for you, but now I'm just going to tell you FastMoss versus Kalodata versus Shoplus, which one do I use and why. I personally use FastMoss. In my opinion, it's the best TikTok analytics tool. And here is why. Their basic plan is really easy to get started with for only $29 for the first month. When you compare this to $45.9 here and the $49 here, it is much cheaper to just try it out, and after that it will be $59 per month, but they do offer a pretty significant annual discount of 20%, or they are also the only one that offer a biannual discount of 10% on this plan. Now the Pro plan is also really good, and that's actually the one that I use, and that is monthly $79 per month for the first month and then $109. Now you can also add more sub accounts, so then you will get more access to everything. So if I add one sub account, you can see that it does become a little bit more expensive. Now in terms of free trials, usually the only downside of FastMoss is that you can see they don't have a free trial. You can see Pro is $9 for 7 days, Basic is $1 for 7 days, so it's still really cheap, and Team $19 for 7 days. But I do have a special discount for you, where you actually get 15 days completely for free on the Pro plan. And then on top of that, you also get a 10% discount when you do decide to make a purchase on any plan. So in order to get that discount, you just want to go ahead and click on the link down in the description. Then in the top right, go ahead and sign in or create your account. And then here you will see, hello, so welcome to FastMoss. You have received a free trial of 15 days Pro in the United States from user, now this is me, and you can just click on claim in order to actually claim that free trial. So now I have this 15-day free trial, and now I have access to everything you get access to in the Pro plan for 15 days. Then on top of that, if you do decide to make a purchase, for example the Pro plan, if you click subscribe now, then this referral code will be added automatically, so DA1500. If you didn't sign up through the link in the description, you can still enter this, and this will get you a 10% discount. So if you want to claim the extended 15-day free trial to the FastMoss Pro plan, and on top of that get a 10% discount, just go and sign up through the link down in the description, and through there you can just try out FastMoss, see if you like it just as much as I do. So again, in my opinion, FastMoss is the best tool because it's easy to use. You can just navigate all of these sections right here. For example, you can click find products, or you can go to top selling TikTok products or high commission products. And if I click on any of these, you will get a bunch of filters that you can filter by. Go by any of the categories, so phones and electronics. Then you have subcategories, for example, audio and video. And then even under that, you have more categories such as microphones. If I click microphones, you will then see products with a high commission rate for microphones. So this one has a commission rate of 60%, and in the last 7 days 81 have been sold. So now I can go and sell this product. So this tool is really easy to use, and in my opinion it's by far the best one in terms of actual TikTok analytic tools. You also have TikTok Shop, and you can see the top creators and stuff like that right here. So just go and check it out, click on the link down in the description, create your account and claim your 15-day free trial for the Pro plan. So that concludes this comparison of FastMoss versus Kalodata versus Shoplus. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.